Hey everybody, it's Mark Yegge. Welcome to another weekly market update. So glad you're here. Let's just go quickly. It's been a weird market, hasn't it? Gosh, I don't know what the heck to say about this market, but I will say a couple things. Let me share my screen and we'll get rocking and rolling. Basically, we are in a yellow market. It went yellow, but it's kind of given us another head fake. We've had a few head fakes over the last couple of months, actually. But let's take a look at it. So here we have the market. And here we go. So you've got two red lights and two green lights. So the market is yellow. It's been yellow for 3 days. It could go green or red now, either day, because we've got to stay yellow for 3 days. All right, so we are in a slight downtrend in the Nasdaq. So you're seeing that down. We're in the upper end of the Nasdaq downtrend, but it tried to make it over the 50-day moving average, couldn't really handle it. The S&P 500 looks pretty much the same, but it couldn't get over the 50-day moving average. So that's a little bit cause for concern. The other market averages are a little bit worse. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and that is looking a little bit worse because that is showing that it's below the 200-day moving average, and it couldn't hold it this week. That's cause for concern. And the last one is the New York Stock Exchange Composite. It is now living below the 200-day moving average. That's bad, and this is my favorite index because it's got a very broad index of stocks and components in it, like oils and banks. And, there's lots of stuff going on in the world right now with wars and craziness. And that's being affected. You're seeing it in the stock charts. But the market itself is yellow. It doesn't know which way to go. It doesn't know what to make of these wars. And so you're seeing the volatility index, the VIX, now spiking up. This is the panic index. It's now above the 200-day moving average. That's cause for concern. So we kind of have to see if it can recover back down to those levels where it was at a couple of weeks ago when everything is hunky-dory and it was down at 12. The Dow Jones Transport Indexes, however, is the only piece of good news I can report today. And that is because it's bouncing off the 200-day moving average, that black line there in that circle, and it's heading back up to the 200. Let's see if it holds it. It's really important that it holds it. The Dow Jones Transport Average is the one that indicates, is there movement of goods around the country, around the world, let's say? Because if there's movement of goods, that means people are buying things. If people are buying things, that means stocks will eventually go up because hopefully margins will go up and hopefully revenues will go up and profits will go up and people will stay employed. The market's just a little scared. It's been weird just this whole summer, actually, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick market update. Hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you next time on the Weekly Stock Market Update. Take care.